This is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store, connect your tablet to Wi-Fi, obviously, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can start its installation either directly from the page that contains the search results, or open the app's respective app page and tap at the install button over there. No matter what method or what way you'll go for, it will basically result in the same result, I guess. So once the app is ready, we can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to customize the permissions and privacy preferences that the Opera app will have an access to, or you can simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.